Hello students, in this video we will learn about problems on back EMF. First problem, a 220 volts DC motor has an armature resistance of 0.75 ohm. It is drawn a armature current of 30 amperes driving a certain load. Calculate the induced EMF in the motor under this condition. So this is one of important problem based on the back EMF. First you should write given data. So what are the values are given, that values we have to write, then you can understand which formula we can use to find, we can use to solve the problem, right? So a 220 volts means line voltage V is given, V is 220 volts. A DC motor has armature resistance RA, RA value is 0.75 ohm. It is drawing a armature current of, armature current IA is 30 amperes driving a certain load. So it is the motor is driving a certain load. Calculate the induced EMF in the motor under this condition. So what we have to find out, induced EMF means EB, back EMF we have to find out, right? So what is the back EMF formula? We have a one relation, terminal voltage and back EMF. V is equal to EB plus IA RA. So we know the armature current 30 amperes, armature resistance 0.75, terminal voltage 220 volts. So from this EB is equal to V minus IA RA. So V is 200, sorry, this is wrong, 220 volts, 220 minus 0.75 into 30 or 30 into 0.75. So if you calculate 220 minus 30 into 0.75, we will get 197.5 volts. So this is the induced EMF or back EMF in DC motor, right? This is the induced EMF called back EMF in a motor. So this is about this problem. So next problem we will see. So this is one of important problem. So we have to use both the relations, terminal voltage relation and back EMF equation relation. So we have to use both the relations to solve this problem. So first we will see a 4-pole DC motor has lap connected. A 4-pole DC motor has lap connected. So winding is connected lap connected. So we have two types of connections. One is lap, other one is wave. For lap connection, A equal to P. So number of parallel paths equal to number of poles in lap connection. But wave type of connection, number of parallel paths A equal to 2, right? So a 4-pole DC motor has lap connected winding, lap connected armature winding. The flux per pole is 30 milliwebers. The number of armature conductors is 250. The number of armature conductors are 250. When connected to 230 volts DC supply, so V equal terminal voltage is 230 volts DC supply. It is drawn an armature current of 40 amperes. So armature current is 40 amperes. Calculate the back EMF and speed with which motor is running. The motor running speed we have to calculate. Assume armature resistance is 0.6 ohm. So RA value is 0.6 ohm, right? First you write given data. A value PV is 4, A equal to P is 4 for lap connected, and V is 230 volts, and Z is the number of conductors are 250, and pi So what is the pi? 30 milliwebers. Flux per pole is 30 milliwebers, and Ia is 40 amps. RA value here, armature resistance RA is 0.6 ohm, 0.6 ohm, right? Now from terminal voltage equation, V is equal to EB plus IA. We know that terminal voltage is VB plus IA. So from this back EMF, what we got? EB minus EB is equal to 30 minus 40 into 0.6. So if you have to from this relation, if you calculate back EMF, you will get 206 volts will get. So 206 is the back EMF value, right? Next one, back EMF formula. So we know that back EMF equation, EB is equal to pi p n z by 60 into A. So use that equation. From that n, the speed is equal to, speed how we can calculate? The speed is EB into 60 into A divided by, so remaining terms are pi p z, So A and P will get cancelled, since for lap winding A equal to P. EB into 60 by pi into Z. So substitute. So simple substitute and simplify. The speed of the DC motor is equal to 1648 revolutions per minute. So speed always we will measure in terms of RPM, revolutions per minute, RPM. So okay. So what are the values we need to get? We need to calculate in this problem: back EMF and speed with which motor is running, N value. So EB and N we should find out. So what EB is 206 volts, and speed of the DC motor. So speed with which the motor is running, the speed is 1648 revolutions per minute, RPM. So this is the problems. So these two problems are important. So some more problems have uploaded in your Google Classroom material, Module 1 material. Please download those material and solve and practice those problems. I request to solve problems. Request to solve problems from textbook also. So many books are there for this subject, electric motors. So BL Teroja, Nagratan Kotari, JB Gupta, and Muhammad Shadiq. So many books are there. So many books are available in college library also. So many books are there in PDF drive. So online PDF drive also you can download and you can practice. If you have any doubt, and you can ask me also. So solve the more number of problems. So since this is a 50% problematic and 50% theory related subject, so I request to solve, I request to practice more number of problems related to this subject. Okay. So in next video we will discuss about torque equation and problems related to torque equation. Okay. Thank you everyone.